Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by clearing variables. Confirm the source, firmly reset HDMI, and swap ports if needed. Once done, open settings and go straight to picture, then expert or advanced settings. You perform a picture reset or switch picture mode to standard to remove aggressive processing. This gives a neutral baseline to tune from. Make these changes now so subsequent steps adjust true picture characteristics rather than hidden presets. You now tune the main controls. Lower sharpness dramatically to avoid artificial edges, then set brightness and contrast so blacks are dark but details remain. Next, choose color temperature warm 2 to get realistic skin tones. Nudge color and tint only slightly. Crucially, disable motion smoothing and noise reduction. These often blur or smear detail. Once you complete these adjustments, the image should look cleaner and more film-like without overprocessing. You finish by validating with varied content. A 4K HDR demo, standard SDR footage, and calibration patterns to confirm shadow and highlight detail. Then refine HDR tone mapping and gamma in the 2:2. For range, tweak local dimming for contrast without blooming. If the picture still misbehaves, power cycle the TV, check for firmware updates, and swap the HDMI cable. That one troubleshooting tip. Try another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.